start off with my bar ends. I have the just ODI bar ends that come with the grips. I have ODI long neck, extra long, in black. I have Fit Benny signature 4-piece bars. Merit inaugural top load stem in polished chrome. A headset. Fit Inman 2 forks. Fit Inman 2 frame 2014. A Shadow Pivotal fat seat. I don't know what kind. Merit P1 pedals. Extra grippy. 2014 Fit Den cranks. Band Bud Sauce Rocket. .25 tooth. Gold bell chain. Shout out to Benny's. Shout out to Bell. Shout out to Lucas. In the front, I have just a plain black wheel. I don't know what kind it is. I have a Cult front hub. Don't know what kind that is either. BSD Donna squeak tires. Super grippy.
Super squeaky.
Super squeaky. In the back, I have a Demolition free kosher hub with a Demolition hub guard. G Sport rib cage. Chris Coleman, this is my bike check.